Red, the color of blood or ripe tomatoes. She wore a red dress to the party. Blue, the color of the sky on a clear day. The ocean looks blue in the sunlight. Pink, a light red color, often associated with flowers. She painted her room pink. Black, the darkest color, the result of the absence of light. He bought a black car. White, the color of milk or fresh snow. The bride wore a white dress. Green, the color of grass and leaves. He has green eyes. Brown, the color of chocolate or wood. She has brown hair. Yellow, the color of the sun or ripe bananas. The walls are painted yellow. Orange, the color of ripe oranges or pumpkins. She wore an orange scarf. Purple, a color made by mixing red and blue. He bought a purple jacket.